Gotta dodge the roo-poo. Okay. So today we're going to test out the JETBOIL. Hey, welcome back. We're on site again. We're back at Beary actually. That's our view. Not as good as the other one, but still good. Okay, so JETBOIL Flash. Apparently holds a litre. Lots of rubbish. Okay, there it is, the JETBOIL Flash. So it's got this like neoprene type stuff on the outside. I'm pretty sure people have seen reviews of these before, but just in case, I'll do one because now we have one. So that's the lid. So you can see it's got like a pouring part here, I suppose a venting part for the steam, and then that could be a straining part if you had like noodles or veggies or something that you needed to strain. So that's that one. System user guide. All right, so warnings. What's this? This must be, yeah, the bit that it attaches to. They make it difficult to take off. So they really want you to read the warnings. Do not use pots and pans, blah blah blah. Serious injury, fire. Okay. Woohoo, look at that for an instruction book. So sticker, because everybody needs a sticker. Wildly versatile. Oh, my feet are getting sunburned. Oh, look at this thing. Cool, so that actually comes with it. We weren't sure, we watched a few things on it and we weren't sure if that came with it, so that is cool. So that will sit here. I'm not sure if the camera is picking that up or not. Can you see it? Yeah, there you go. So then the fuel canister can actually sit on that, so that's nice and sturdy. Aha, clips on. Actually clips on really good. There you go. Figure it out. Alright. So there's a cup it comes with at the bottom. And it actually has measurements on it saying 1 cup, but I don't know if that would actually hold 1 cup. Maybe it does. The bottom, the base here, this is that heating element thing that makes it technologically advanced enough to zap our water really quickly so we can drink. I want a coffee, so I don't want to have to use my the old school way of boiling the water. It takes forever, so this is apparently quicker. There's the little zapper. So it comes with its own little spark emitter. I'm not sure what it's called, technical terms. And this is obviously going to be your on and off with your gas as well. This is going to fit onto here. Where are the little knobs? There we go. So that fits onto there, and that actually doesn't move either, so that's good. And then that will screw onto the top here as well. Oh, it's even got a little plus and minus. I don't know if you can see that, but that's handy. So if we go to minus, yep, minus should be off. I just want to take this flappy bit off before I put it on because that just seems silly. So bear with me. Hey, so I got that stupid thing off. It's a cooking system tag that also warns you about carbon monoxide hazards. So using it outdoors. I suppose some people might use these inside their actual tents and stuff. So if you were in a cold environment, I gather you would be inside that tent. We're not in a cold environment here, so I won't have to worry about that. We will be using ours outside. So that's boring. So cup, we don't need the cup. Let's just put it all there. So we got the cup, the stand, this. It doesn't come with this. I bought this. I bought the what's this one? This one is 230 grams. There are other brands of this. You don't have to get JETBOIL, but they were on special, so I just got it. Apparently you can buy ones that are maybe even 100 grams and they will actually fit inside there. But to tell you the truth, if I'm drinking stuff out of there, I don't know if I want to store my gas in there. So, alright, so we shall look at the instructions. We have different languages, and then we have English. Connect and secure fuel can. So I think it's pretty simple. So let's have a look. That's that instructions, but then there's these instructions as well. So flash deposit. Take the around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, sorry. If you smell gas. I love gas things, but I get scared of gas blowing up because so many people have blown themselves up. So, ignition. Yeah, there's definitely an ignition. That is the zapper. It's got like a little electrical zapper. Okay. So put this on. It's definitely onto the negative. Yeah. Alright, we're gonna spin him on. Didn't hear any hissing. I watched a video and some dude, it was hissing. So, alright. So that's on. Okay. So, turn it on full bore and light. Beautiful. So it's on. Holy cow, it does sound like a jet, hey. Apparently this is an indicator thing, so that'll eventually get really hot. I think the whole thing is a bit hot. Just before I accidentally turned it on when there was no water in it because I was just testing it out, so don't do that. So I turned it off straight away, but I have water in it now. I want my coffee. I need my coffee, so that is going. I didn't time it. I'll put the time up in the video because hopefully I can hear it when it starts because it actually sounds like a jet. We need to wait until this thing goes red apparently, so, or we can see steam. I can actually start to see steam now. Look, there's like steam coming up from there. That is cool. Oh look, it's red. It's red. Okay, hang on. This is happening so fast. All right. How do I turn it off? Oh, holy cow.
That looks really cool, doesn't it?
That is cool. Look, it is hot on there. That actually happened so fast. Cool. So, oh, it is steaming. Look, I don't know if you can. Yeah, so it's worked. Excellent. That is cool. So, coming from boiling on a... I didn't even open my package. I'd only opened it. That's all I'd done. my little sachet. Verdict right now is that's pretty cool. Now I need to not burn myself, so I've got my lid on in a position that's gonna make it hard. Aha, there you go, look at that. So technically I don't even need the lid on if I'm just gonna pour coffee. So cool, there's my coffee. And this will be for Bodhi. He'll have a cup of tea. Excellent. Very cool.
Why can't I have coffee?
So yeah, I suppose when you're doing it and you do it all the time, you'd put your pourer on the end that you're actually going to pour it from. I did watch a video from somebody where they said that will burn them. So if I put that there, I'll actually put that lopsided. So then if I'm to pour, that steam will hopefully not come onto my hand. So you sort of pouring it like that. But that's awesome. I am very happy. Whether or not I add that in the video will be another thing, because maybe like it's a bit dodgy because it's my first time. But yeah, that is cool. So that actually worked quicker than I could actually get my stuff out of the container. So I am super happy with my purchase. So statistics say it will make 2 500ml cups in 2.5 minutes. One 100-gram canister will last 60 minutes apparently. I bought a big one mainly because I wanted that sturdiness. I don't know if you can see, get my coffees out of the way. The sturdiness of a bigger container, but these feet keep it sturdy, I suppose. But the weight, see how it's sort of bigger with the weight, I don't know. But yeah, how cool is that? I'm actually really happy that I got that. That's gonna fit in the car. We can take that anywhere we want. We can take it to footy training. We can take it to footy games when I don't have to line up with 100 people. That is really good. Cool. Well, I'm happy. Awesome. I will put some statistics up. I want my coffee. Coffee.